how did you get into the field of data science? Do you think like a background in BTech was helpful, or was it just some decision you made through your course journey?
Oh, actually, data science was one of my subject during my graduation. So my journey started from there itself. And after that, I was enrolled in data science path from Board Infinity. But during my graduation, I have not deeply explored this subject. But after getting into Board Infinity, so I was like getting into this path. So
Oh,
that was
okay.
about the data science journey. So I was studying this subject for almost 2 years, but not having a practical hands-on experience in it. But then I joined this path. Yeah.
All right. So I think the fact that you did join us gave you a little bit of a clarification, and I think it helped you in depth to understand the topic, if I'm not
Yes.
wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Okay. That's really good to know. So I also want to know, do you think that, the projects that you do are important, especially when you're trying to become a data scientist? Because I know you've done quite a lot of projects. You've done the
Yeah.
Play Store analysis using Python, COVID-19 analysis using Tableau, and so many other projects. So I want to know how important are these projects for especially somebody who's just starting their journey in this field.
Um, I think projects are really important because we just learn theory first of all. Until or unless we don't implement it, I think it's of no use. And in order to understand, firstly, data science, firstly, we have to understand the business problem. So, in order to understand the business problem, we have to completely explore the data set. So, which can be done through projects. I think that projects are really important in that case.